How to disable scroll lock in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel and see if you have scroll lock enabled or not. To do that, on the status bar, right click and you will find scroll lock. If it is enabled, you'll find tick mark on it. And as you can see, now it's enabled on my device. To disable, what I can do is simply click on function and C key together, which will disable. And if it was disabled, it would be enabled by clicking on function C. Another thing what you can do is, in some devices, it will work as function X as well. So try both the methods. And this is how to disable scroll lock in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.